What is going on, my fine people? Fineline 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan that has a release date of June 4th at the time of the video. As we all know, Nike and Jordan brand has been switching around a lot of release dates, so June 4th could be subject to change. But before we get into this shoe, just wanted to let you guys know that I do have in hand a lot of Jordan brand made releases on the website right now, fineline1721.com. As you can see, we got the 72 and 10 lows, green bean 5s, midnight navy 6s, also chili reds, infrared 4s, military black 4s. Everything is live on the site. Everything will be shipping out ahead of the shoe actual release date. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. As you can see here, we have an Air Jordan Retro 6 style box wrapped in all red, white Jumpman logo, white cement print going throughout the whole box. Air Jordan 6 Retro, white university red and black, size 10.5 we're gonna be taking a look at. Go ahead and flip this box open, peel all of this paper back, and let's get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the white university red Air Jordan Retro 6. As soon as you pick these up in hand, you definitely will notice the weight of the shoe. It feels a lot more premium than the Air Jordan Retro 6 Midnight Navy does. Taking a look at the top-down view of the shoe, all white tongue with the white Air Jordan branding sitting on the top, red push pin with the white cement print, red Jumpman logo sitting on top of the tongue. Heading over to the lateral side of the shoe, thick cut leather going across the MJ or 2-3, however you see it. Also, the leather that they placed on the inserts right here is kind of like of a smoother leather. It's not as thick or as tumbled as the leather that you get on the other panels. Taking a look back at the ankle collar, I'm not seeing any 3M material underneath it. White and red midsoles with the white speckled cement print, milky white air bubble unit, clear translucent blue tinted outsole heading down to the bottom of the shoe, all black with the red Jumpman logo. Going around to the heel of the shoe, red heel tab with the white stripe going across it, white Jumpman logo sitting on top of the Air branding. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, same thick cut leather, same high quality of leather that was used on one side of the shoe was used on the other. Real quick comparison of the two sneakers, the Midnight Navy. As you can see, if you take a look at both of these pairs of shoes, you can see that one is definitely just a thicker leather, more wrinkled, more tumbled. It almost seems like when you're holding both in hand, this one has the $190, $200 feel, and this one has the $225, $250 feel for, you know, when Jordan brand decides to use higher quality of leather. So that about wraps it up for the review of the Air Jordan Retro 6 University Red. If you are a fan of this colorway and you want to pick these joints up, you can head over to the website, fineline1721.com. They will be shipping out ahead of the release dates. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, Fineline1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.